What's up, YouTube? Silver Hustlin' 13 here. Appreciate y'all taking the time to check me out. Got a couple packages in today. I went ahead and unboxed them all for you guys, so we can just go ahead and get right to it. Picked up the latest of the Hercules series, the Stymphalian birds. Pretty decent looking. I like the skull and bones there that they're perched upon. Kind of sweet. And you got big Herc here on the back. Also picked up 4 2015 American Silver Eagles. I went ahead and got airtights for them. I'm going to put them in here and build this tube of airtights. So we got 4 of those. Also got in a couple more graded pieces I've been waiting on. 59 and a 64 Franklin $half. Beautiful, beautiful coin. Well, it's a 60 and a 64 Franklin $half. And like my main $half won, I got a little Tuesday gold of the same likeness. This is a 1955 5 peso gold. You're right, Halfy. Thing's pretty sweet, man. My story's nowhere near like yours, but it's a nice piece. Love it. More gold for the stack. So that's what it is, YouTube. As always, keep hustling, keep stacking. Preach.